Hey everybody, welcome to Harvey Woodworking, where we make some of the best tools in the world. We wanted to put a special list of gifts that you can give to the special woodworker in your life.
For the woodworker in your life who loves hand tools, we've got our HP8 mini block plane. This block plane is perfect for the smaller jobs in your life. Its big brother, the HP12 dual angle bench plane with a 2-inch iron, is perfect for the bigger jobs in your life. It's so much fun!
Scratch-alls for the woodworker in your life.
One of the greatest gifts you can give someone is the Chopstick Master from Bridge City Tools. Perfect for friends, family, kids, and even divas.
Now, if you want a gift that's big, massive, out of this world, then try Mini Mitre Square.
Another great gift from Bridge City Tools is our PP1 Pencil Precision Kit. It's great for making pencils from scratch so you can take notes, do art, lose it on your ear. So mark that special day on your calendar.
If you need to take further measures to find that perfect gift, then you should try our double square. Gives you that double right angle that you're looking for. Our combo square gives you that right angle as well as that 45-degree angle. Our multi-tool, which does multiple things. Our multi-tool version 2 also does multiple things. And our universal gauge, which, what does this do? This is what it does.
Alpha 615, 3 horsepower, 14-inch rip capacity, 6-inch fence, because they're worth it.
Hey big guy, this is our rip fence system. B52 has a dual locking system to ensure there's no play. Also has a fine adjustment tool and 4 flip stops to ensure you get those repeatable cuts. Comes with a handle on top to ensure your tool is never in the way. Get yours today, and don't forget, eyes down here.
This is our 4 horsepower table saw. It's the Alpha HW110S. It does especially good at cutting things such as wood. Don't forget your favorite table saw accessories such as the MG36 miter gauge for all your angle cut or your roller guide so you ain't getting no kickback. Also available in 3 horsepower and 2 horsepower as well. With every table saw, you're going to need a good dust collector. Check out our G700. It's good for every active woodworker.
Thank you guys for watching. Now don't forget to grab a gift for that great woodworker in your life. See you guys next time.